No Thanksgiving is complete without stuffing. Welcome back to Life with a Knife. My name is Jack, and today we are going to make my uncle's famous stuffing that he always makes for Thanksgiving. It goes amazing with turkey and ham, and today I'm going to show you how he makes that. We're going to start off by dicing our veg. We're going to do celery, we're going to do carrots, we're going to do onions, jalapeno, red bell pepper. You want to dice these extremely fine. So I'm gonna get these diced up. I like to dice this ahead of time because it makes the whole process really fast and easy. So let's go ahead and get some of this stuff diced up. Okay, so we've diced up our bell pepper, celery, onions, jalapeno, super fine. On the carrot, I like to just run it down a grater and then just chop it up really fine. We've got a pan heating up. We have diced up all our veg, very small, and we've got Italian sausage. You can use mild, sweet, medium, hot, add red pepper flakes, whatever you'd like. But we're just going to start with the mild Italian sausage. First off, we're going to brown our sausage. We're going to remove that from the pan, and then we're going to go ahead and add our veg, and we'll show you the process as that happens. To the pan, we're going to throw a little bit of butter. You can use any kind of oil that you would like. Olive oil, avocado oil, whatever makes you happy. To that, we're doing Italian sausage. As this sausage cooks, make sure that you're scraping some of that fond off the bottom. A lot of it will come off when we throw our vegetables in there, but try to get some of it off now, might as well. And make sure you also keep breaking this sausage into smaller pieces. If you want some chunkier pieces, then just don't break it down as much. All right, I'm happy where this is on the sausage. We're just gonna go ahead, put this into a dish and set it aside. Back to the pan, we're doing some butter. To this, we're gonna add our celery, carrots, jalapeno, onion, and bell pepper. Yep, that just smells right. To this, a little salt, a little black pepper. Make sure you scrape the bottom of the pan really good. Get all that love fond off of that. Okay, our veg here is done. It only takes a couple minutes. All you want to do is basically sweat these veg out. You're not trying to get them super soft at this point because it still needs to go into the oven. And that's where we're at. To this, I'm going to add a little bit of garlic powder. I'm also going to go ahead and use some sage. Get that mixed in. Oh yeah, it smells like Thanksgiving. Just to make life easier, I'm going to go ahead and throw sausage back in this. Get this all mixed up together. That smells fantastic. All right, let's get this stuff finished up. All right, once you have your sausage and veg mixed together and you've added all these seasonings, taste it to make sure you're happy with it. Very happy. Okay. Make your own breadcrumbs, buy your breadcrumbs, whatever brand you like, going in with it. Sausage mixture into your breadcrumbs. chicken broth. You could always add more, so we're gonna go light. Start tossing it around. Definitely gonna add more broth. There we go, now it's starting to make love. Now take your time and just toss your stuffing around and allow the chicken stock to slowly soak into the bread. You don't want to over rush the process and just dump a bunch in there. It takes a little bit of time for that bread to soak up that love, okay? Once everything is mixed together, tossed up, you're pretty happy with the consistency, make sure you taste again because now's your last time to add anything really. This tastes like Thanksgiving in my mouth. Fantastic, very happy. Find a dish, you can butter up your dish if you want. I'm gonna pour this on in. That's kind of a lot for this dish, but it's going to work. Get all that love out of here. Okay. I, as always, forgot to turn the oven on, so I have it set to 350. I'm gonna allow that to heat up. I'm just gonna let this sit, nothing's gonna happen to it. And when it hits 350, we're gonna throw this bad boy on in. I am gonna put a cover on it. If you don't have something that has a cover, throw some foil on it. Stuffing has been in for 20 minutes. I am now gonna remove the lid. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in the oven. Stuffing has finally come out of the oven. We put it in the oven covered, 350 degrees, 20 minutes. We then removed the cover and let it sit in the oven for 5 minutes just to get a little crispy nibbles on top. If you don't want those crispy nibbles, then just pull it out after the 20 minutes and you're good to go. This is something that you could do in the morning of Thanksgiving earlier. Just don't bake it. Just do everything that we did except for bake it. And when it's time, go and throw it in the oven, bake it to temp, and pull it out, and you're good to go. It's finally time to try this finished product. Perfect amount of stock. All this veg together just marries incredibly well. The sausage is spot on with everything. This is hands down one of the best, if not the best, sausage recipe that you will have. So I highly recommend you print this out, make this for the family. This is a banger for sure and absolutely delish. Approved. So, as always guys, thank you so much for watching. We appreciate your time. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button. We appreciate all the support. You guys have yourselves a happy Thanksgiving, and we'll see you for the next video. God bless. This is a meal in itself, but I'm gonna be selfish and I want turkey and ham. Delish.